Good day, everyone. Another productive day on the truck. I got the truck off of the old cart that was in the middle. It was in the middle there. And onto the new cart now. So now it's mounted on the ends so I can tackle the rusty rocker panels. And we got this done today. So, all rebuilt underneath too, and in front. And the hatch closes perfect. Yes. So everything lines up. So now, as you can see, these rockers are gone. So I have to replace them now, and now I can cut them out and replace them with brand new. All right, so the smaller part's done, but this cart is giving me a lot of room to work on it now. Tons of room. So I'm going to clean up all this. That's all just surface rust. Clean it all up, paint it all, and then tackle the rockers. The center section of the floor is good, so, and the back here is still solid too. So it's all getting painted anyways. The whole truck's getting painted. But yeah, there you go. There's the view. Nice. I'm happy. Got a lot done today. Ooh. You know, like it. All right, I'm gonna park this in the front. Whoa. Okay, that wheel's garbage. It just broke right off. That's nice. Huh. Okay, well, guess I gotta move this. Look at that, eh? Wheel just broke right off. Garbage. Amazon. Don't buy them. So let's move this in place now. All right. Let's see if we can shove this in my pocket. Get this thing. Now, this is going to be a little tricky to move because I got 4 turning wheels. Preferably you want 2 rotating and 2 straight. We didn't have that in stock, so let's try this. Be a little tricky to get in there. Yeah. Front is turning on me. It's gonna be a little bit of that.